Hello friends and welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to create a poll with multiple answers. Like if you have some MCQs or multiple choice answers, questions like you can choose one or more options and how to go for it. First of all, you have to create a poll here. So to create a poll, just click on this, just click on the attachment, and here you can see a lot of options will coming up. Simply click on poll. So here, once you go for poll, then here you can ask the question. For example, the question is which color you prefer. So here, for example, I will write in bracket answer any two. I will write here cream color, then blue, green, red. I'll write orange, violet. So which color you prefer, for example, for your car. All these are the color options given. So here what happens, here there is an option that is allow multiple answers. If you turn it off, they can only answer by choosing one. If you turn it on, then they can definitely go for two answers or two or more answers in fact. So here there is no particular number limit. It's only allowing us for either one or more than one, that is multiple answers. So they can probably go for three answers as well. They can choose more than one answers. Here the option is only that you can give more than one answers or multiple answers. You can choose more than one color. So if you have already written two, then probably they would follow option as two option. If at all they choose more than two, then it is not in your control. So here what happens is allow. If you click on allow multiple answers, they can choose more than one color. So let us see if I send. So this is the poll. So once I see what exactly is in my poll, you can see the question is coming up, which color you prefer, answer any two. Here it is written select one or more. This option will come in, that is select one or more, which shows that you can select more than one answer. For example, if I select cream, orange, green, look, it is not limiting me until two answers, but it is also allowing me more than one. So I can even choose all answers, but since you have written in the question, there's a lot of probability that people will only choose two. So for example, I need this two. I want to choose this two. Let us see. So this is it. Let me see, view votes. You can see my votes are there. One vote blue and one other one is red. So this is how you allow people to choose more than one option by clicking on that toggle where you allow them for multiple answers. And this is how you ask for opinion or options in your poll, which could be more than one option. So friends, I hope you knew how to create poll with more than one option. Just enable that toggle of more than one option and your poll has the option of choosing more than one option. So friend, that's it. I hope you learned something new. I hope you found this video interesting. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such little technical videos. So keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.